I am sorry if this campaign narrative against me has had a part to play with Biju Janata Dal's loss. I apologize to the entire Biju Parivar, including all the Karmis, for this. My intent of joining politics was only to assist Naveen Babu, and now consciously I decide to withdraw myself from active politics. I am sorry if I have hurt anyone in this journey. Dream since childhood was to join the IAS and serve the people. Lord Jagannath made it happen. Because of my family from Kendrapada, I came to Odisha. From the day I set my foot in the soil of Odisha, I have received immense love and affection from the people of Odisha. From Dharamgarh to Rourkela to Mayurbhanj to Ganjam, I have tried to work very hard for the people. 12 years ago, I joined the Chief Minister's office. It was an honor to be working for Shri Naveen Patnaik. The experience, the learning I had from him is for lifetimes. His grace, leadership, ethics, and above all, his love for the people of Odisha always inspired me. His expectation from me was to implement his vision for Odisha, and he successfully crossed many milestones in health, education, poverty reduction, sports, investment, women's empowerment, infrastructure, and also in temple and heritage projects. Working for the youth, school and college children gave me great satisfaction. My own childhood memories of studying in a government school helped me to implement the Honorable Chief Minister's vision for school transformation under 5T. Lakhs and lakhs of Biju Parivar members whom I am associated with. I will always keep Odisha in the core of my heart and my Guru Naveen Babu in my breath, and pray to Lord Jagannath for their well-being and prosperity. Jai.